Tutorial displaying and modifying profile views. Exercise number 1 is editing the profile view style. Open profile 5A, drawing. Click the grid to select profile view PV1. Right click PV-1 here. Let me show you first. Right click now and click profile view properties. Click the information tab. Then in the object style field, we're going to change the profile view style to major grids. And then we're going to click apply. And then we're going to click the area edit current selection. In the profile style dialog box, we're going to examine the content of the various tabs to see the many settings that can be included in a style definition. Click cancel and then click OK to close the profile view properties box. Zoom out so you can see both profile views. When you apply the major grid style, which includes grid padding above and below the profile, PV1 enlarge to overlap PV2. Click PV2 and move it up above the title block for PV1. We're going to modify the grid in the profile view style. Click the PV1, select profile view, right click, click edit profile view style. In the profile view style dialog box, on the grid tab, under grid padding, change the padding of all 4 axes to 1, 1, 1, third one, and 1, the fourth one. Then click apply. Notice that in the drawing there is no one full major grid between the profiles and the profile view extent. Under grid options, select the clip vertical grid and clip horizontal grid. Under both selections, select omit grid in padding areas. Click apply. The grid is clipped to the surface profile because the clip grid setting in the profile view properties for PV1 is set to the centerline surface profile. Click OK. If the style changes have not been applied to the profile view, you can enter region and the command line. We're going to modify the axis annotation in the profile view style. Pan and zoom to see the upper left corner of the profile view grid. Zoom in so you can clearly see the tick marks on the horizontal and vertical axis. Notice that the starting station levels overlap. In the next step, you will correct the overlap and modify the justification of the ticks and the major stations. So click the grid, right click, click edit profile view style. In the box, horizontal axis tab, click top. Under major tick details, specify the following parameters: tick size 0.25, Y offset 0.1. Click apply. On the vertical axis tab, make sure left is selected as the axis to control. So on the major tick details, specify the parameters: tick size 0.25, X offset negative 0.1. Click OK. The ticks are longer and the elevation levels move to the left. And then click OK again. These are the ticks longer and the elevation levels move to the left. We're gonna go to exercise number 2. Adding hatch patterns between profiles. Access the profile view properties. Open profile 5B. Click the profile view PV3. This is a PV3. Right click and click profile view properties. We're gonna define now a cut area hatch. Hatch tab, select cut area. In the shape style column, click standard. And then in the pick shape style, select cut and click OK. In profile view properties box, click apply. The specified shape style is displayed in the cut areas between the profiles. Now we're gonna define a fill area hatch. Profile view properties box, on the hatch tab, click the fill area. And then a fill one area is displayed in the hatch area table. For the shape style, click the standard entry, and then in the arrow down, we need to go to edit current selection, and then go to profile, view direction, profile, and then in the shape area fill, in the color type, click the red color, and then change it to 92. So as in the fill borderline, 92. And then in the shape area fill, in the pattern, click the dash, and then in the pattern name, change it to cross, click OK, and information, change it to fill. The profile view properties dialog box closes and the new hatch pattern is displayed in the fill areas between the profiles. We're gonna go to exercise number 3, projecting objects onto a profile view. We're gonna go to profile 5C, drawing. In the left viewport, we got 2 viewports in the left one station 0 plus 0, 25. Select the multi-view block that represents a light post. There we can see it representing a light post. Right click, click select similar. Now all the light posts along the proposed road corridor are selected. Click Home tab, Profile and Section Views panel, Profile View drop down, Profile Objects to Profile View, Profile View Grid. In the Project Objects to Profile View dialog box, click we can set all, there we go, and parameters are style, projection without exaggeration, elevation option, surface first, street surface, label style, object name, station and elevation. Click OK. Now the light poles are displayed on the profile view. Next one, project COGO points and 3D polylines onto a profile view. In the left viewport, select the 3 COGO points that are along the proposed road center line. These are the 3 COGO points, as you can see. And then click Home tab, Profile and Section Views panel, Profile View drop down, Project Objects to Profile View. Click the Profile View grid, Project Objects to Profile View dialog box, click Pick Objects. In the left viewport, zoom out and select each of the blue 3D polylines that represent the front of building footprints. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press enter. In the Project Objects to Profile View dialog box, in the 3D polylines row, under Style, click Set All. In the Style box, which appear now, we're gonna select projection without exaggeration. Good. Click OK. And click OK again. The COGO points and building 3D polylines are displayed in the profile view. Now we're gonna edit the projected object elevation. In the left viewport, select the 3D polyline in parcel 101. There you go. Then command line enter list. In the Autocad text window, notice that the elevation values for the polyline vertices are approximately 38. Close the text window, right viewport, select 3D polyline that crosses between stations plus 060 and 080. Highlight it and drag the left grip down toward the bottom of the profile view. Then enter. Then when you check the 3D polyline and then list, the corresponding elevation of that is 28. Because in the profile we drag it down, close, and now we're gonna click profile grid, right click, profile view properties, projection tab is the projections tab is displayed on the profile view properties dialog box. Now we're gonna check 3D polylines checkbox, click apply, and now the 3D polylines are removed from the profile view and are clear from the profile view properties dialog box. Then I click OK. Now we're going to continue with exercise 4, splitting a profile view. Home tab, profile, on section views panel, profile view drop down, create profile view. In the create profile view wizard on the general page, we're going to set up select alignment ridge road, profile view style standard, on the left side of the wizard click profile view height, and then on the view height page we're going to set some parameters to profile view height user specified, profile view height user specified, maximum 670,000, sorry 670, split profile view selected, click next. On the profile display options page, clear the draw checkboxes for all profiles except e.g. surface 1 and layer 1. So there we go. Click clear. Scroll to the right until the labels column is visible. E.g. surface, change it to none. Click create profile view. Pan and zoom to a clear area in the drawing window, then click to create the profile view. Now in tool space, on the perspective tab, expand the alignments, then certain line alignments, ridge road, profile views collection. Right click the APV-4, then click properties, In the dialog box, the elevation tab, under elevation range, change the height to 15. Looking for 15. Click apply. Notice that in the drawing window, the profile view has been split into 5 segments. In the View Properties dialog box, split profile view data table. In the number 1 row, click click the icon, and then in the dialog box, select left and bottom axis, click OK, as well as in profile view style in row number 4. We're gonna do the same, and we're gonna change it to left and bottom axis. Click OK. Now 3 different profile view styles are displayed in the single profile view grid, as we can see here, while a split profile is displayed in a single profile view grid. It might have separate styles applied to each of its split segments. We're going to continue to exercise number 5, creating multiple profile views. Open profile 5e. We're going to create multiple profile views now. Home tab, profile section views panel, view drop down, create multiple profile views. Click. Select alignment for parameters, Oak Road, profile view style, major grids. Click next. Length of each view is 500, as we said. Profile view height page. We're gonna set up some parameters. Profile view height, user specify is 50. Profile view datum by mean elevation. Split profile view selected. Click next. Profile display options page, ensure that the draw checkbox is selected for both profiles. Click next. Good. Open the binary display page. Click next. Data bands page. Under selected band set, we're gonna select EG, FG elevations and stations. Next, to open the profile hatch options page, click next. We're gonna use the default. Multiple plat options page, set maximum in a row to 4. Click create profile views. Pan and zoom to a clear area in the drawing window. Click to create the profile views, and then we can see the 3 profile views. Good. There we go, alignment. center alignment, then Outcrowd and profile views collection. Notice that a separate profile view was created for each 500 segment. We're going to now continue to exercise 6, sorry, create and stack profile views. Open profile 5F drawing. First step, go to Home tab, Profile and Section Views panel, Profile View drop down, create Profile View. In the wizard, we're gonna select alignment north south road, show offset profiles by vertical stacking profile view selected. The graphic at the bottom of the page changes color to indicate that the option is active. Good. Then on the left side of the create profile view wizard, click stacked profile, and once there, we're gonna specify number of stacked views to 3. Gap between views is 0. Tab top view style, stack top. Middle view, stacked middle. Bottom view, stacked bottom. Click next. Profile display options page. In the select stacked view to specify options for list, select middle view. The number of views that is visible in this list depends on the value you specify for number of stack views in step 5. In the specify profile display option table, select the draw checkbox for the following profiles, e.g. center line and center line. Then in top view, select the e.g. left offset and EOP left. Click the EG right and EOP right, and then click next. Pipe network display. In the stack view, to specify options for list, select bottom view. Select the checkbox, expand the network, clear the checkboxes for WE pipe 1, WE pipe 2, WE structure 1, WE structure 2. Good. For the middle view, check the box, expand the network, WE pipe 1, clear box, WE pipe 2, clear the box, W structure 1 and W structure 2, clear the boxes as well. And for the top view, check the box and expand, W pipe 1, W pipe 2, W structure 1 and W structure 2, all clear. Click create profile view. We're gonna pan to the clear area at the right of the surface. Click to place the profile views. There we go, they're there, as you can see. We'll move them a bit. These are the stack profile views. We're gonna go perspective tab. We're gonna go to alignment, north south profile views. Notice that 3 separate profile views were created. End of the tutorial.